Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a folder with your progress reports in it and make enough stuff for each child to have a progress report and then how to share it. So if you'll see, I'm in the EES staff folder, and in there the progress report is in that folder. So what I want to do, I want to right click on the progress report, and the way you do that, on your keyboard there's a control button. So I'm going to put my arrow on the progress report and hit control and click at the same time, and you'll see a menu comes up. What I want to do is add a copy of this to my drive. So I'm going to click on add to my drive. What that does is it puts it in my personal Google Drive for my use. Okay, so now what I want to do is go back to my drive. This is where all the stuff that I have is located. If you look right down through here, right here is that progress report. What we want to do first though is we want to make a folder that says progress reports in your Google Drive. This is like a folder in your filing cabinet. So I'm going to take this arrow and just put it right here where there's nothing, and I'm going to right click again, which is control and click, and up comes another menu that says new folder. When I do this, I'm just going to name it Progress Reports and hit create. Now I have a folder that says Progress Reports. Right below here is that progress report that I moved to my drive. It just moved it over to my Erin Kelly drive. So I'm just going to click and drag it into my progress reports. Okay, and it'll come up down here that it's done that for me. Now if I go to that folder and click inside that folder, there is that progress report that I have moved into the folder. So if you see here, here's my drive. In my folder progress reports, I have that progress report, a copy of that progress report. Now what I need to do is I need to make a copy for each child in my classroom. So if I have 18 children, I need 18 copies. This time it's going to take you a little bit of work on the front end to get this like you want it, and then for second quarter it won't be near the work that you did this first time. So I'm going to have to right click 18 times and make a copy. So I take my arrow, put it on the progress report, control click, and then I'm going to make a copy down here on this menu. Make copy. Wait just a minute and a copy will pop up. There it is, copy of EES progress report. Do it again, control click, make a copy, and another copy is going to pop up. Like I said, if I have 18 kids, I need to do this 18 times. Now, how do I know which progress report is for which kid? Well, I'm going to name it that. So after I get as many copies as I need, I'm going to come back to this progress report, control click on it, and right here on the menu it says rename. So I'm going to click rename right here, and I'm going to name this William Kelly and hit OK. Now there's a progress report for William Kelly. Now I'm going to come over here, right click on this progress report, rename this one, and this one is for Parker Kelly. Okay. When I get finished, I will have a progress report for each child in my classroom inside of this folder. Now all I have to do is click on this child. It's going to come up right here. It tells me whose progress report this is. And all I have to do is fill this out. So he has an N in reading, an S, no, let's do a U in written expression, S in math, S in social studies, and you go all the way down and fill it out like so. Comments, you can come down here, type what you need to. and it automatically saves this for me. Okay, so when I come in here next quarter, this will be exactly the same, and all I have to do is go over here to second quarter. You might want to fill out their name and all that stuff here also. Don't forget to do that. Teacher, etc. All right, now it comes time to share. So right up here in the top right-hand corner, I'm going to click the share button. And the first thing that I want to make sure that I do is make sure that they can't edit it in any way. So right here where you see this little pencil, I'm going to click down and a drop-down menu will come here. I'm going to change that to view, and you'll see that eyeball. That eyeball means all they can do is see it. Then I'm going to get a shareable link, and a link will come up, and all I have to do is click copy link and then go to the Dojo window and paste that link. Now I'm going to have to do that each time, so what I suggest is that you do all of your progress reports, even clicking share, and click can view, and then when you finish all of your progress reports, come back each individual, click share, copy link, click done, go to Dojo and paste it, and then go to somebody else's. If you need help, please feel free to come get me. I don't mind coming and sitting with you as you do a couple of these, and have a great day. Thank you.